Hi, friends. Good morning. It's me, Ashraf. Welcome back to Folks on Wheels for another exciting adventure. Yes, our weekend journey to explore places around Bengaluru continues. Today, we've found a beautiful and lesser known hill very close to the town of Ramanagara. Right now, it's 5:20 a.m. and we're on Mysore Road, heading to our destination. It's about 65 kilometers from Bengaluru, which takes around 1.5 hours by car or bike. Not sure about direct public transport to this place, but you can take a bus to Ramanagara. From there, you can hire an auto to reach the base. It's about 8 kilometers from the Ramanagara bus stand. I've shared the trek starting point in the video description, so do check that. Or you can simply search for Jala Siddheshwara Betta. That's the name of the hill. You might be hearing this name for the first time. Honestly, we also found out about it recently, and there isn't much info online. So come along as we go explore and see what this hidden gem has to offer. The road goes through a forest full of mango trees. Yes, mango trees everywhere. At the end of the road, we reached the spot, and right in front of us stood a giant hill. It's really massive. There's no proper parking area, but you can park nearby at your own risk. In fact, there were hardly any people around. These steps lead to the temple. Yes, the temple is located right at the base of the hill. This is the Sri Jala Siddheshwara temple, a small temple with walls around it. And the top part is naturally covered by a rock. It's dedicated to Lord Shiva, and you can see a Shiva Lingam inside. It's actually a cave temple. Even if you're not religious, please approach it with respect as it's a sacred place. Next to the temple, there's a rocky path. We'll be taking that trail. There are no signboards or marked directions. You just have to follow the path as it is. It might feel a bit tough because not many people come this way. And since it's monsoon time, the trail is covered with thick vegetation. And the rocks are very slippery. So please be careful. But if you enjoy adventure, this trail is a thrilling experience.
ഓ ആ സാധനം നോക്കടാ, എന്ത് രസമാണ്.
അതല്ലേ പറഞ്ഞ അവിടുന്ന് വട്ടം മുകളിലോട്ട് കയറാൻ നമുക്ക് കേൾക്കോ.
എന്റെ മോനെ ഷൂ വയ്ക്കേണ്ടിട്ടാ.
കേറുമ്പോ കുഴപ്പമില്ല, ഇറങ്ങി വരെ പഠിച്ചാൽ മതി.
കേറുമ്പോഴും സാധ്യതയുള്ള നീ കൊടുക്കും ബ്രേക്കില് അത് ആശം വീടാരി.
കാല് ജസ്റ്റ് മുക്കേലും ഇവിടെ ഒന്ന് കേറാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. നല്ല സ്ലിപ്പുണ്ട്, പരീക്ഷിക്കണ്ട. ഷൂ സ്ലിപ്പ് ആവണ്ട് നോക്കണേ. ഇത് ബണ്ണ് തപ്പണേ. എന്താണ് പാറ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒഴിച്ചോണ്ടിരിക്കണേ? വീഡിയോ എടുക്ക. എക്സ്ക്ലൂസീവാ, കുറെ എടുത്ത് കയ്യില് ഇറങ്ങാൻ പറ്റാതെ സമയം കിട്ടാത്ത ഇരിക്കുക. എന്താണ് ഇത്? ഒരു പാമ്പും കൂടി ഇവിടെ പോലെ. ഇതാവാനാ സാധ്യത വഴി, ഇതാവാനാ സാധ്യത വഴി. അല്ല ഇത് ഇങ്ങോട്ടാ പോണേ. ഇരിക്കോ? പ്രഥമിച്ചോണ്ടിരിക്കുക മുട്ടൂത്തിയമ്മ.
താങ്ക് യു.
എന്തിനും സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ് നമ്മള് ഇത് പോകാത്ത
എടാ ഇവരിങ്ങനെ പറയണു, നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യൂടാ?
അതിന് ഞാൻ ചെറിയൊരു ഭയം.
വടി കുത്തി കയറിക്കോ.
കാര്യമില്ല.
രണ്ട് കൈ പിടിച്ചിട്ട് കയറാക്കുന്നേ
ഒരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യ്, അപ്പുറത്തുള്ള വഴി കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം.
എനിക്ക് വേണ്ടെന്ന്. അതിൽ കൂടെ വഴിയുണ്ടെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു.
ഞാൻ ഇറങ്ങട്ടെ.
തെക്കോട്ടുമില്ല വടക്കോട്ടുമില്ല.
ഞാൻ കേറി
മാറാനും സ്ഥലമില്ല കേട്ടോ. ഞാൻ മൊബൈൽ മേടിച്ചിട്ട് അയ്യോ ചിരിക്കാനുള്ള വകയുണ്ട്. ചക്കായി മുകളിലോട്ടും ഇല്ല താഴത്തോട്ടും. ഇത്ത ബലം കൊടുത്തു.
കർത്താവേ ഞാൻ ഇതാ വരുന്നു ഇതാ പോരുന്നു
ഇരിപ്പ് കിട്ടിയില്ലേ? എന്നാ ബ്രോ ഇത്ത ചോട്ടിക്കോ ബ്രോ. ഇതെങ്ങനെ
ഉണക്കം കാണുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ.
അതിലിറങ്ങിട്ടേ അതിലെ അപ്പുറത്ത് കൂടെ അങ്ങനെ അതുണ്ടാവുന്നു.
ഇനി താഴത്തേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങാനോ?
ആ ഒരു
ദൈവമേ.
ഇതൊക്കെ വീഡിയോയിൽ പെടുന്നിട്ടാ
എല്ലാം ഉണ്ട് ഒന്നും മിസ്സാവില്ല.
ഞാൻ വീടൊന്നും കിട്ടില്ല.
നല്ലൊരു വഴിയുണ്ടാ.
The trail was a bit slippery because of the rain. Initially, we tried to go straight up the rock, but due to the wet surface, we couldn't complete the climb. Later, we discovered another path which was much easier and led us to the top without much trouble. If you are coming during a dry season, then you can try the direct route we attempted first. It's manageable when the rocks aren't slippery. But if it's the rainy season, I'd strongly suggest taking the alternative path. It's not difficult to find. Once you start climbing from the temple side, the trail becomes quite visible. This is actually just the first hill. The main destination is the second one that you can see from here. You can't reach it directly. It's connected through this first hill. So once you climb this part, reaching the next one becomes easy. When you look at the hill from the temple side, it might seem impossible to climb. And yes, going straight up is not possible. But don't worry. There is a proper way. And it's super easy if you take the correct path. That rock formation on the main hill is truly impressive and quite unique. The entire hill is full of porthole-like caves. Not just one or two, but scattered all over. It gives the hill a very distinct and interesting look. The top of the first hill has a large flat surface that seems ideal for camping. I believe camping is possible there, though I'm not completely sure. As of now, there don't seem to be any restrictions or fixed visiting hours, so in that sense, yes, camping is doable. But just because there are no restrictions, it doesn't mean people should misuse the place. What I mean is, you can probably camp there just to enjoy something like the early morning sunrise view, not for loud parties or anything irresponsible. I'm saying this because someone had commented on one of my previous videos asking if parties are allowed there. So just to clarify, while camping might be possible, please check with the local people first. There might be a chance of wild animals in the area, and the locals would know best about such risks. And most importantly, if you do decide to camp there, please do not litter or pollute the place. Let's all respect the natural beauty and help preserve it. We are nearly at the top now. This is the final stretch of the climb. This hill has a very, very short hike, hardly 1 kilometer one way. And the trail is super easy. Anyone can do it without any problem at all. Yes, friends, this is Jala Siddheshwara Betta, a hidden gem located in Ramanagara. This hill is not widely known, which means it's usually less crowded. A perfect spot if you're someone who enjoys peaceful treks away from the usual hustle. Though not famous, the views from the top are absolutely rewarding. What makes it even more special is its proximity to Bengaluru. It's just a short drive away. So if you're looking for a quick, adventurous trek that offers beautiful scenery and doesn't take up your whole day, this could be your ideal choice. It's also very close to the Mysore Expressway, and from the summit, you can even see the expressway stretching into the distance. In fact, the hill itself is visible from the road, inviting curious eyes to explore. So to share this spot with your trekking buddies, especially those who love discovering offbeat places. And as always, a humble request. Please don't litter or damage the natural beauty of the area. Let's all do our bit to keep such serene places clean and sacred. Hope you all liked the video. If you did, do subscribe and show your support. We'll be back soon with another adventure. Till then, stay safe and happy trekking.